Come on! If you go into the house,
Lance, that's your new pet. He's just checking out. You know they like being on your shoulder.
That's why I don't know how people do this. Cause I don't like when people whisper to me. That feels weird. There you have these little nails just crawling on you. It's strange.
This is our newest pet. We tried to let him go, but he won't. So he wants to stay. He said, "I'm part of the crew now." Oh, shoot, fly for him.
What if he jumps up to my head, man?
He's not gonna jump up to your head.
You see what he just did? He just put that amazing somersault.
Look at him. He has his little stickiness on your jacket. Oh, he's very comfortable with you.
No, I see you. I see you getting ready.
You gonna jump on your head?
Yeah, Mom. See? Yeah. It's gonna be a sad day for him. Oh, he's going to my back.
We'll get him off. I'll get him off.
Danger, come get him.
Hey, look at his little ears.
I know, they're so weird.
Oh my.
Ah!
He jumped off because he heard you.
No. Come on now.
Now you want to catch him.
I can't get him. Hey, can I get you? Can I get you back?
He said, yeah.
Oh, you trying to bite me, huh?
That's because you're squeezing him hard.
I'm not squeezing him hard. His bones is just, his body's just wobbly. Oh, he was mean.
Put him up here so I can get him on here.
You go on my hand. I just don't know about my body. See, look, no.
He crawling quick. Let him go. No. Let's see where he goes.
No, that's my body experiment, y'all. Hey, you can go now.
No, let him stay.
Go. I don't need Get off. Get off. Get off. Get off.
Where is he at?
On my arm still?
Hey, don't pull his tail.
I'm not pulling it hard, Mom.
Hey, little guy.
Can he ease his hands off of me?
Here. He doesn't want to go. You're not putting him back in there?
No.
What do you want to eat?
He's trying to go with his life.